I'm here at Boswell High School with Miss Keys in advanced chemistry, and so Miss Keys has been at Boswell for a number of years, and we're really excited that we're invited here to learn more. All right, now class is coming in. We're going to get started and learn more about chemistry.
Today we're in the middle of our argument-driven inquiry lab, and so this is the ADI, and it's a several step. It takes about 8 days for us to do it in class, and yesterday they collected data. After reading and writing their own procedures, they collected data about titrations, and titrations are just the way we measure concentration of, in this case, vinegar or acetic acid in vinegar. And so today they're going to take the data they got and they're going to share it with their classmates.
So for the first one, we used the Bartholomew blue, and then the phenolphthalein, and then crucial red, just to see if we'd get different results.
So it's just, you know, we went through all the formulas, we changed everything out, we made sure everything fit properly.
And instead of just explaining what we put, we could say why what we did was correct and why we're so confident in it, like the data that we used and everything.
Yeah, I think your data definitely is important, and the data you got and having multiple trials and stuff, perfect.
So the purpose of this ADI investigation is just to see how accurate and how we did it differently, but also did the same. We did the same project with different activators, which caused different outcomes, but also pretty similar because we're using the same bases and things like that.
What's really great is that whenever they start talking, they realize, oh, we don't know how to do this part, or we do know how to do this part, but we don't know why.
Right.
And so as they start talking, they're able to actually find those answers themselves without me having to do that for them.
Right.
And that's probably one of the coolest things whenever you get to see the kids have those aha moments of, oh, that's why we did that.
Yeah, I heard a student say, I figured out what we did wrong, and then went immediately back to their group and started working on that and reworking something.
Yeah.
So
that's
they figured that out from another student.
Yeah, they don't have to learn from me all the time.
Yeah.
They can learn from each other.
Well, and also I just really liked what I saw in terms of all the students just really supporting one another and working with one another, and just collaboration all the way around the room.
Yes,
So
and that's so important that they are learning to work together in this crazy world that we're in.
Yes. And then they're going to finish up with an essay, right? That's the next step. That's cool. So that's kind of completes the whole process of what they're doing.
Yeah, it started with a reading where they just read an article and then annotated it, and then it'll go all the way through them writing their own paper, peer reviewing and editing that. So
Okay. So the essay itself, how long is it?
it's about 1.5 to 2 pages,
Okay,
so it's not a super long essay, but it's helping them really start writing those lab reports. So it's just something that if they take a science class in college,
Absolutely.
they definitely need.
Well, and something
the most.
more stressed now, especially
for sure.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
Well, I really appreciate it. I know you have another class coming in.
Yeah.
Is this the same class, Advanced Chemistry?
Yes, it is.
Awesome. Okay. Well, thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
inviting us into your classroom. I know I
Anytime.
learned a great deal. I tell you, it was nothing like my chemistry class in high school. Okay, it was awesome. I really, really enjoyed it. And I just really enjoyed the ownership of the students and their work. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Well, this is Chadwell Learns. I learned a lot. Y'all have a great day, and thank you so much for watching this.